Welcome to English Language Academy, The Golden Egg English Story. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by lush green fields and tall mountains, there lived a kind farmer named Ramu. Ramu had a small farm where he grew vegetables and kept a few animals. Among his animals was a beautiful white hen named Lucy. Lucy was not an ordinary hen. She was very special, though Ramu did not know it yet. A surprising discovery. One sunny morning, as Ramu was collecting eggs from the henhouse, he noticed something unusual. In Lucy's nest, there was an egg unlike any he had ever seen. It was golden and shiny, glittering in the sunlight. At first, Ramu thought it was a joke. Who could have put this here? He wondered. He picked up the golden egg and held it close. It felt heavier than a normal egg. Ramu was curious and decided to show it to his wife, Radha. "Look at this, Radha. Have you ever seen anything like it?" he asked. Radha's eyes widened in amazement. "It looks like gold. Do you think it's real?" Ramu wasn't sure, so he took the egg to the village goldsmith to find out. The goldsmith examined the egg closely, tapped it, and declared, "This is pure gold." Ramu was stunned. He couldn't believe his luck. A golden egg? How is this possible? He muttered to himself. The golden blessing. The next day, Ramu rushed to the henhouse to see if Lucy had laid another golden egg. To his delight, there was indeed another shiny golden egg in her nest. Day after day, Lucy continued to lay golden eggs. Ramu and Radha were overjoyed. They sold the eggs and became wealthy. Despite their newfound wealth, Ramu and Radha remained humble. They used their money to improve their farm, help their neighbors, and build a school for the village children. The villagers admired Ramu and Radha for their kindness and generosity. Greed takes over. As time passed, Ramu started to grow restless. He began to wonder how Lucy was able to lay golden eggs. If I could find out her secret, he thought, I could get all the gold at once. Why wait for one egg a day? Radha tried to stop him. "Don't be greedy, Ramu. Lucy's eggs are a blessing. Let her lay them in her own time." But Ramu couldn't resist his curiosity and greed. One day, he decided to find out the secret. While Lucy was resting in her coop, Ramu carefully took her in his hands and said, "Forgive me, Lucy, but I must know." He took a knife and gently cut Lucy open. To his horror, there was nothing inside but the normal organs of a hen. There were no golden eggs, no secret. Ramu realized his terrible mistake too late. Lucy was gone, and with her, the golden eggs. Lessons learned. Ramu was heartbroken. He had let greed cloud his judgment and lost the precious gift that had brought so much joy and prosperity. Radha comforted him, but she too was saddened by the loss of their beloved hen. The villagers were shocked to hear what had happened. They reminded Ramu of the old saying, "Greed destroys everything." Ramu learned a valuable lesson that day. He decided to make amends by continuing to use the wealth they had left to help others. Though he had lost Lucy, he vowed never to let greed take over his heart again. From that day on, Ramu and Radha lived a simple and content life, spreading kindness and sharing what they had with those in need. And though the golden eggs were gone, the memory of Lucy remained a golden lesson for the entire village. The end. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.